Now the GG-B100 allows you to check the sunrise and sunset times for your location. To access it, simply press the home button 4 times. The watch will then automatically display the sunrise and sunset times for each day. Press the upper and lower right buttons to cycle through the dates in the past and the future to review times for each day. Once your preferred date has been selected, the watch will automatically switch between the sunrise and sunset time every 2 seconds. This feature is particularly handy to make sure you don't get caught out in the dark on the mountain, for setting up camp and for photography. When the lights go out, the GG-B100 has a super bright LED light that lights up the digital and analog display. To activate it, simply press the lower middle button.